If you want a quick and easy way to share a web page, Chrome has a built-in QR code feature that makes it incredibly simple. In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Chrome QR code in just a few clicks. And by the end, you'll know how to generate it instantly, download it, or scan it right away. This is perfect for sharing links between your phone and computer, sending a web page to someone else, or saving time without copying and pasting long URLs. If this video helps, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open the web page you want to share in Google Chrome. It can be any page, like an article, a product page, a video, or even your own website. Once the page is open, look to the top right corner of your browser and click the three dots menu. This opens Chrome's main settings and options menu. From here, hover over Cast, Save, and Share. When you move your mouse over that option, a submenu will appear with more sharing tools. In that submenu, click Create QR Code. Chrome will instantly generate a QR code for the web page you currently have open. That's one of the best parts about this feature. There's no extra setup, no extensions, and no complicated process. As soon as the QR code appears, you can either download it and save it to your device or scan it with your phone to open the page instantly. If you want to keep a copy, just download the QR code image and use it later in presentations, documents, messages, or printed materials. If you're using your phone, simply scan the code and Chrome will take you directly to the web page. This is a great way to move links across devices fast, especially when you don't want to type anything manually. And that's it. You now know how to make a Chrome QR code in seconds. It's a built-in feature, it generates instantly, and it's one of the easiest ways to share a web page. If this tutorial helped, please give the video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.